Hello! Now we to explain the Joseph's cream. My name is Uriol and his name is
Adrià.
and now present the ingredients.
Explain the ingredients. 500 milliliters of milk, 1 stick cinnamon, a half lemon peel, 3 yolks egg, 10 grams flour corn, 17 grams of sugar, 4 cookies, and cinnamon powder. Now put the milk
In the pot.
the cinnamon and the lemon peel in the bowl. Then the pot is heated.
Then put the yolks, sugar and wheat flour in a bowl. Put the sugar and put the flour corn. And shake. Now put the milk in the mixture with the colander.
Now put the cream back in the pot until it thickens. Then it is put in the mold.
Now put the cookies with decoration. Now check the St. Joseph cream.
Oh, it's delicious! Bye! Now we explain the recipe of couscous. Ingredients: 125 of couscous, 125 of water, oil, pepper, butter, onion, green pepper, carrot, the first pass is cut the vegetables.
Now put the oil then the vegetables fried in the pan.
Now put the water to heat.
Now put the couscous in the hot water and wait 3 minutes. Now put the butter in the couscous.
The last step is to put the couscous with the vegetables, with the fire off, and throw the red pepper. Put the red pepper in the couscous.
It's delicious.